Okay, so there it is. That's what this thing's doing. But it is ran flawlessly for 1,984 engine hours. What, 10,922 miles on the odometer. So yeah, I don't know what that light is. Probably a stupid sensor or something. Alright guys, I bet you're getting tired of seeing me from this view, but I broke my gator. Everybody swears up and down that I'm hard on the dang thing. Nope. I use it like it's meant to be used. I've never hauled anything more than it's designed to haul. And I've never pulled anything more than it's designed to pull, okay? I'm gonna show you. I always come to a complete stop when I go from forward to reverse. Okay. I don't do no rolling stops, no nothing, but thing is, when I go to take off, okay, thing gets up to 1,500, 17, 18, 1,700 RPM, then it starts to take off, okay? But there's like a shake and a bounce, and yeah, you guys kind of heard it. So I'm starting to think that maybe I need a clutch, because you get the thing on a hill and it just vibrates and, you know, makes noise. And well, I mean, they all make noise, but yeah, like that. And that is not good. Now it does it pretty good when you're in a field, like when you're in plowed or disc ground, I mean. It'll do it really good. The field out front, we were picking rocks up, and this thing just would not get out of its way for nothing. There was only, I don't know, maybe 200 pounds in a bed, and it was worse. There was just a grade that was not as steep as this, and it was vibrating, cackling, and everything else. You know, I would just stop, put the thing in low range, and turn four-wheel drive on, you know, just so it wouldn't do that. And it seemed to help, but both of Dad's gators don't do that, and they are well under 1,000 hours. What the heck happened? So I don't know what the heck's wrong with my gator, other than that it's broke and it needs to go to Cope Power Sports, because I tried seeing if I could fix it myself, and they're like, nope, you gotta have a special tool to work on it, and that I don't have, and I doubt they'll give it to me to use. All right, so I'm gonna go here to this gator that has like not even 700 hours. Yeah, not even 680 hours. I'm gonna show you just how good the drive belt is on this thing. You should be able to come back here, right here, this box is the belt, is where the belt cover is for the belt. You should be able to take that, and you shouldn't should not be able to spin it very good, which this one you can. It's got some resistance. The one over at the farm had hardly any resistance. Now mine, well, granted I just got done, you know, demonstrating to you guys, but that was for demonstration purposes only. That's kind of warm. Yeah, this thing spins easy. Okay. Yeah. Kind of hard, but oh well. Yeah. I mean, basically, everybody's like, oh, you shouldn't be using this thing as a tractor. Well, this thing goes faster than a tractor for pulling hay wagons and stuff, and, you know, low range and four-wheel drive. That's kind of why I was hinting around a 2021 Gator or 2020, but yeah, because when you put them in front-wheel drive, four-wheel drive, when you go down a hill, it'll actually slow you down. These, nah. Not the 2018, 2019 models, the 2021 or 2020, 2021, 2022, they'll do that. And I got the park brake and transmission like I want, but again, we'll just keep this thing till it croaks. But keep fixing it up, and yeah. So I don't know what I'm gonna do. I gotta get the thing into Cope Power Sports as soon as I can, because I don't want to break nothing. I priced a clutch. It's $1,200. You got to pay to play. That's just it. And that's basically what I'm doing. Maybe I'm too hard on the thing, maybe I'm not. I don't know. But, you know, it is what it is. So, yeah. Let me know if you guys have any, you know, info or advice or anything that I could do differently. After all, this is my main mode of transportation. Thanks for watching, guys. We'll see you next time.